So now that we've all read the Thank You Mom and The Last Leaf, I got to say that these stories may be short, but they really hit differently. Like for me, no, what stood out to me the most in Thank You Mom was Mrs. Jones' reaction to Roger. Like, let's be honest, no, she could have easily handed him over to the police and gone on with her night, but instead she saw something in him and she chose to understand instead of condemn. And it's kind of rare, because again, let's be honest, people don't take time to see why someone does something wrong. And in this story, I realized that Roger didn't try to steal her purse just because he was evil, but because he was just trying, or he just wants something that he couldn't afford. And I think Mrs. Jones understood that. So, what are your insights like sa kuan lang sa thank you ma'am? Oh, go. Go lang.
I totally agree with you, Yor, because the story, Thank You Mom, also reminds me that everyone makes mistakes, especially when they are too young. But one act of kindness can truly change a person's path. Mrs. Jones could have punished Roger, but instead she chose to understand him and teach him with love. So her actions show that trust and compassion can make someone realize their worth and encourage them to become a better person. So I learned that sometimes helping others with kindness instead of judgment can leave a lesson they will never forget.
That's a great point, Yudwen, no? And kanang looking back po upon reading ba sa story ani thank you ma'am, no? I realized that it really connects, no, to real life. Like how many people out there are judged because of their mistakes, no, without bitaw anyone asking what led them there. Like judge lang a judge bitaw. And it sucks ba honestly kay sometimes manggod we people just need one person, no, to show us that we still have a chance to do better. And Mrs. Jones became that person for Roger, which is a really powerful message ba para sa atua. Yes.
Truly, it's kind of hard, actually, for what Mrs. Jones did because not everyone is, willing to help each other, especially in times kay nani, life is so hard. But it takes a lot of courage to understand and instead of punishing the person, Mrs. Jones try to understand where Roger is coming from. So, um, if a lot of people will read the message, I think it will open a lot of minds that
Minds and eyes
it is important to not judge right away, but try to be understanding in a simple way. But it's more easier man jud i-istorya yung sa buhaton. So for me, Mrs. Jones is really, it's one of my kind. And it's so good to have a lot of Mrs. Jones. Especially now that ilan bitaw ang nakahitabo sa atong daily life na. That sometimes if natong makita, we tend to judge easily, we tend to give opinions and insights just because of what we see, what we saw.
Like to be honest, it's not easy to be Mrs. Jones baya. But at least ba we're trying to be Mrs. Jones for someone. Kaya nga nabitaw kay again like kanang and in the story pod, she did not just give him $10, but she gave him dignity bitaw or the chance to change or nga na bitaw.
To be better.
Oh, to be better. And ang kana nga dignity nga gihatag ni Mrs. Jones, dili na siya mapalit baya sa kwarta. And
Siguro if imo sa may tabo, or any one of us may tabuan na katwa masuko na yun
Mo nang normal nga reaction.
normal nga reaction sa katao. Like, we tend to get mad right away.
Oh, reactive.
But, if sociology ka,
You're obliged
diba?
to
You're obliged
to understand.
both
To ask, why man? Why did you do it?
Sociology, because, imagine, 4 years na tayo lang
Oo.
as socio, major in socio. And, I think, any one of us here can justify or testify na it molds us to be
Oo, it
more
shaped
understanding, to be
Best version?
yeah,
Of ourselves.
ourselves.
Kay imagine first year ni mo dili murag lahi pa yung mindset but pang kuan bitaw sa 2 years of studies ani murag sila research na pero kung ikaw bitaw committed gid ka nga student ana imong study for like for ako dili gid ba ni siya mao ang kuan gid nako pero nahimo siyang calling and I truly believe na it changed gid it molded gid my mindset no or my kana interaction with others nga na bitaw na I am more understanding now. I am more kanang empathetic ko sa others yun. Nga na bitaw siya. So, it really changed me.
Okay, how about you?
My insights about the story, like for a life, a reality of life nowadays in our society. No, you're all correct. You never be a judger to that person, why she does, what he does, because you are basically temp in the real world. Yes, a small act of kindness can make all the difference. That's a very simple act of kindness, but then it can change everything. It can change the world, the mind, the behavior, the attitude of the people, even us. Diba?
Yes. Yes. Na naging small things matter.
Yes.
Diba, for you, ikaw, if you're the one who did the, understanding the person, especially anak ka person, did something wrong to you, and then, instead nga masuko, instead nga mangaway,
You have to understand.
You understand, you try to understand the person, even if lisod kayo, kakaroon mo yun dahil, being kind, to each and everyone, na atong nakasalamuha, it's hard, uy. Nabi na ha, if ikaw, marami tayong life's been hard sa imuha na yun. And then, it's so hard ba nga, ipanghatan nyo ra dito ang kaayo. Especially naabusaran na ka. If the kindness that you've given is being abused na, or hindi bitaw niya hatayan o sakto mapagtayan.
It's draining, ba?
Murag, it's kind of, draining yun siya. Especially if, ikaw din sa iyong kagalingon, ikaw na hinon ang mag-judge.
Oo.
Because,
True.
sometimes people will say,
Martyr kay ka.
oh, be kind, be gentle. And then, you don't really know, unsa ang yung debate, why? Nga po niya, wala siya nakahatag yung ayuhan sa katao. Why?
Ikuan gid nila ang
Why did he or she get mad? Hindi na namin ito. So, if
what happened before the reaction nga
why then? Inana yung reaction.
what happened ay like kay there are certain kuan ba situation ba ato sa atong life nga mga question gyud pa nga ay nga ni ang tao uy unsa ko gibuhat nga ni kay yesterday ba we've had like a bonding with my family ba and it really sucks no to face with your relatives and all they'll say kay tambok na lagi kay ka like nga na it's really draining ba yan na like you kept silent lang to kay murag you don't want to throw harsh words kung bitaw sa ila like the same way lang gina-throw sa imo kay you can really feel like or experience first hand magud kung unsay feeling nga masakitan ana nga word so mo na kay because kuan man kay ka kanang understanding ka mo dili lang hilom
na lang.
shut up na lang ko paubos na lang pero it's draining ba like once na kasi yung balay niya ikaw na lang sakit dara ba din mo sink in tanan yung sakit hindi kaayo so sometimes kan murag sakit ra kay sobra na kabutan sobra na ka understanding
You can question even yourself oh God, Inana po kindness sa ila. But what about me?
Oh,
Sa
dili-
akin akong self, wala no.
Dili mo ma-receive ang same amount bitaw
Nobody cares.
nga kindness or na respect bitaw nga imong deserve, di nila mahatag. And I think that's okay as long as ikaw po dili po nimo siya ginabalik sa ila. Like kind lang gyapon ka. Nga kind lang
Anyway,
gyapon ka. Tables
trusting
return.
na lang. Oo,
Oh, tables return nga. Aso lang bisa ka ito ibalib.
Lagi everything na lang. We know in good karma na lang.
Dari, ikaw sa dali life.
Para power siya.
So, what are your insights sa thank you, Ma'am Cherry? Yes, ako lang, para casual lang, casual.
Wala na to.
Oo.
Ika na interview with Jessica
Parang,
just like what happened to Miss Iman ba?
mm-mm.
Grabe. Ano actually siya na nanay bill nga na ano
Ba, Eman at
Senate,
Yansa nga
na
ba?
bullying. Ganan ko kay to raise that balaod
Awareness po pala.
awareness sa mga kanagabully. That's why daghan kayo ba suicide, daghan kayo ba
Oh my goodness.
because kana bitang ikaw gusto na kay ka mag-enhance sa imong gibati din. Ang napagitao nga mo push in down pa yung ka. So asa na imong self-confidence.
And everyone do have different mental stability.
Yeah.
So we cannot judge someone if they're not able to cope up with the judgment of others, right? So there, it's really a good thing that people do have this kind of mindset to have that bill proposed and hopefully to be approved as well. Because that's very there is that could actually save lives. Right?
Pero nakasad lang siya kay more na imong sacrificial lamb si Eman. Kay she's very open ba sa iyang mental health niya, like kuan gid siya nga ni siya bipolar daw siya, but then people cannot chose to ignore. Nga na bitaw like ay okay ram na siya, okay happy man siya. But then pagkapatay niya, like pag ato niya nahitabo, haya pa din bitaw sila ko ay gabi seryoso gid ito. Like inga na bitaw, haya pa siya like na imong sacrificial lamb nganong why karon pa man na. Anong karon pa man na nga bill wherein many people man good kuan already bitaw nga killed
Covering na anak na.
bitaw. So sad siya at the same time kuan niya pa siya kanang kalipay nga na. Kaya it's really hard ba ya good.
It bitters me.
Oh, better
And
sige
it's
siya.
free na apa. Kinahanglan pa bitaw. Kinahanglan pa nga na mawala.
Kaya pa gyud ni ko.
Well, actually, if bumalik na sa story ni Ma'am, ni Mrs.
Ma'am.
Ma'am Jones. Nasa ni Mrs. Jones. Ma-remind nga, it's important to have a little compassion to one another. Actually, ang kindness man yun, it's kind of big for me. Even ang compassion, big na siya for me. But, ang compassion lang, kaya maraming diniit ka, ingon na maraming taga, forced to have that compassion. And kindness for me man yun, it's hard. Because, people, especially for me, ang mga tao yung sakwa are not truthful. Sa una lang, not good. Especially kung right, I'm a little bit younger and narrow pa ako ang mind. I don't really understand why people are, so hard, so rude. As if the person nga himuan ang sayo really like what you're doing. I think none of us gustohon nga bully ba ka, judge ba ka. Because if I were to choose, I will choose other, I will not choose this kind of life. Yeah.
It's a very true experience. Basically, yes.
Not for an enjoyer. I learned to love life.
Oh, so happy for you.
Karon,
You live life to the fullest, whatever it takes.
because I remember a person in my life, sa past mga person, wala na siya So, na siya, you don't have to be sorry, inana ka. Because, because you didn't ask for it. So, telling a story, actually, it reminded me of, how compassion is very important, even if in a simpler way lang. So si Roger Mangyot, Roger needs a little compassion lang. Instead of being questioned or being judged, why did he do it? So for me, it really opened my mind na it's okay to be hard sometimes sa ubang tao. Especially if you're tired, especially if wala na nimo nakuha sa ang kaayuhan yung gusto nimo. So, yeah, man. Now, it's more different. Sa una, I've been questioning heaven. Why all of the people, ay mga tao man yun niya, more bad to me. You know, if I were to speak with God, akong iingon saya, why me? Ano ba? Because nandiyan man yung tao ngayon na mas worse pa ang ibuhat ako ba? Mas nandiyan pa sala, mas bigat pa ang sala. So why me? So now that I am older, a little bit bolder, and a little bit strong na to handle life, nasabta na ako nga, I want this life. I like this life. I choose to live the life that I have right now because if I'll stay sa questioning why all of the people ako, asa mo ko na doon na, I will not be here. Siguro ba, sa una pa ko ni Eman. Diba? Because life is so hard, guys. Promise. And I'm not really questioning sa kabugat kung yung lipang natin ba.
In different aspects.
Yeah, in different aspects, life is so hard for me. So now that, especially it really helps me to be part of sociology department because it really opens my mind.
It tend to let us have this kind of
Thinking?
Mas
huna-huna.
Mas wider na ba?
Wider na.
Wide na ang pagsagot. Wala na ako na-question karon. And even if ma-experience na ako nga mabulit ko, sa ilanin ako nga edad, hindi na siya mag-matter sa kuha. Hindi na siya mahimong business sa kuha. It's just that, if balikan lang ako, that's why I'm crying right now, because if balikan man yun ako siya, it was so heavy, it was so hard sa kuha. And, kung saan yung nakita karon niya, Angel, grabe ako build up, ani.
Yes. Thank you for sharing your sentiments or sa imong insights with Jen.
Yeah, we are all not different.
So, before ta maulanan Dani, let's move forward sa
Connects. We do have also this story that we'd love to share insights about, which entitled The Last Leaf, wherein it also highlighted how kindness saved lives and how kindness saved lives. So, if I'm not mistaken, as far as I've read the story, Mr. Behrman gave his life to give a Mr. Jansi, which hopes, Jansi hopes, showing that even a small act of love can make a big difference.
And I lost a loved one, and I think, naman mo, namatayan ko ba yun, namatayan ko 20 guys. I lost my dog, I lost Mary, and she Mary is just not a dog because wala man yung visual, and I live independently. Even though I am with my mom, I really need to be strong in front of her because I know kung si mama ko, naghandaan siya nanonood. So, kapoy na ba?
in short, kapoy.
Kapoy na bitaw sa lang. Last month, kaya nito may More than enough time. Tapos, imagine na, I'm not the kind of classmate ninyo nga kayo. You know, naasan ako, hindi ako kaya ba? I really lose the courage, the will to keep going. And then, you know what? Now my friends, di ba, I have mga friends ko. Ito friends mo ka na nito. I have just, more main ako ka certain ko. Sabi na mo, grabe, dito hindi ko ka lang mag-ask and help. Tapos na ninyo ka lang magaling. Dahil dito lang na. Kaya yan ang naalan mo dito. Na ako lang. Hindi na ako kaya guys. Hindi na ako kaya. Imagine na pag-inawin ako na my dog na unit ko sa mumukin. Sabi sa when I was riding ang vehicle, anak siya ka kumain na lang. Pwede nga magandaan ang bawa o parang na. Ano yung true? Dito niya kayo. Buwang na niyo. Na, when in fact, I'm not that kind of person na suicidal. Sa una, gumatak ako suicidal eh. Now, it's
Strong-willed ka, like strong-willed ka.
oh, sobrang nag-aagil eh. Tara-tara yung mga struggle sa life. Sabi na kung saan yung buwan, I asked help dun. Tapos ay nakapagay, nagtamang yun yung mga friend na hindi you need therapy. Tapos need na sa therapy. Anak ko na, I don't need one. I just want someone. And that gives me hope. But anak ko sa ilangan niya, break kami ito. I cried my heart out. When nausap na akong broken hearted. From my father, from the last relationship I had, from the loss of a loved one, from the loss of my Lord. Ito parang ako nausap. Ito rin ako na-realize na I'm not really okay. Ito ako siya na involved na every time when you ask, alam mo kung may okay ako. The truth is, hindi na okay.
And it's okay.
Yeah.
And it's okay.
Oh, it's
So,
okay. Yes.
I totally agree with what you said. Anak ko na. We all need Mr. Berman. A lot of Mr. Berman in our lives.
No, who gives
And that's,
hope?
yeah, that's really true.
Nalupa.
So I hope na atay Berman nakikita everything.
Oh my God.
You know what, Jill? It's always okay to seek help. Because sometimes, there are really times na we really don't need those words, but we just wanted someone to listen to us.
Yes.
Because, sa usa pa nilang istorya, at the end of the day, it's always your decision how to proceed, how you would like to proceed in life.
How to live your life. Like, ano ba? How to live your
yeah.
life. It's always on you.
But gaan sa feeling mo, if you listen na ay someone to lean on.
Even whatever. Even naman sinuknok from without
Minsan mag-grab without words. It's very comforting.
True.
Yeah.
Like, ano na?
The story really teaches a beautiful lesson about hope and sacrifice and the power of helping others. Jancy lost her will to live, but through Mr. Berman's selfless act, she found hope again. So he painted with become a symbol of strength and faith. So I learned that even a small act of kindness can save someone's life, and that through art, our greatness comes from love and sacrifice. So the story reminds us that we never give up, no matter how hard life gets, because there's always something or someone that will give us hope.
That inspire us to be community.
And as a graduating student po, like, so for me lang it really connects with kanang siya connection para sa ako kay as a graduating student I've been taking a lot of purpose, like unsa gyud ang purpose akong life now, like nga na bitaw kay, but I realized a simple like smiling ka sa mga friends or mga classmates it will kanang boost you bitaw nga. Ay, kailangan mo school ron. Kaya nga ni, ako friends, yung nga na. Pero there are times yun nga, murag luya ka eskwela. Nga na bitaw. Pero, nga na, simple hi, smile, or makita na yung scores sa yung quiz. Like, nga bitaw, it makes you happy, manggod. It gives you hope, like, it gives you like purpose. Ano yun? Purpose sa mong life. Like, nga na ba? And it's really kanang refreshing, relieving. Nga na, if you have someone or you have people that will, kuan ba, lift you bitaw in times nga you feel like down ka. Nga na.
Yeah, I think it's really important if you have the chance or the opportunity, like ask them more friends, how are they? Or anyone that
Check up ba?
if we're not in your bed, right, check me.
Every time, check.
Check ka mami ha. Check ka mami.
No, if we're have time, if we're not in your realize may gawin. Actually, I think realize sa dali mga pantong. Hindi mo take your mental. And I'm so I'm so glad that you have mga people that help you to be better and to choose to live even if it's hard.
You just
sa ako sa mga part mo sa mga layo-layo at nag-issue. Dahil na, first year pa lang sa rin. First year, second year, I thought na ako lang. I thought that how to cope up with them, gusto ko na cope with them. But I asked also myself, hindi ko siguro ko lang. So I also asked God, do I have to pursue this, Lord? Or sa ba, bisyosa na kayo ko? So that hope, one word, gives me the courage to push through. So when I woke up, sabi ko, Lord, thank you. Mag-4th year na po. Ano ba? That feeling, graduating na us. This is all your plan. So I did everything tayo ko sa iya. So I'm happy and I'm so glad na namita mo these experiences. Yes, it's true. It comes from my heart. Yeah, that's very true. Even my office mates, sometimes family problems, sometimes, di ba, makabantay kasi ako when, sa putol ko sa office, gusto ko magsayo sa school. School is my other ground for me na mag-boost ko. You're right, na mag-boost ka. Another way around that, you can enhance yourself that, ay pa ko diri, hindi lang pa ko.